Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amazon brand registry assets for A+ design, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the brand dashboard. Select the A+ Content Manager option from the menu. Click on the Start Creating A+ Content button. Choose the appropriate content. For standard text and images, select Basic. For more intricate design options, select Enhanced. Fill in the required fields for your A+ content. Upload high-quality images that comply with Amazon's guidelines. Make sure your images are clear and properly sized. Incorporate your brand's logo prominently. Write compelling product descriptions to engage your customers. Use a consistent tone and style that reflects your brand identity. Add comparison charts if applicable to highlight product features. Preview your A+ content to ensure everything appears correctly. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. Once satisfied, click the Submit for Approval button. Monitor the status of your submission in the A+ Content Manager. After approval, verify that the A+ content appears on your product listing. Regularly update your A+ content to keep it fresh. Utilize customer feedback to improve your A+ design over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.